The strength of a wall is neither greater nor less than the courage of the men who defend it. If you're afraid, don't do it. If you're doing it, don't be afraid. One arrow alone can be easily broken, but many arrows are indestructible. An action committed in anger is an action doomed to failure. Remember, you have no companions but your shadow. A leader can never be happy until his people are happy. Conquering the world on horseback is easy. It is dismounting and governing that is hard. I am the punishment of God. If you had not committed great sins, God would not have sent a punishment like me upon you. There is no good in anything until it is finished. Merit in action lies in finishing it to the end. One of the joys of travel is visiting new towns and meeting new people. To get drunken twice a month is better. Once, still more praiseworthy, but not to drink at all. What could be better than this? Just as God gave different fingers to the hand, so has He given different ways to men. Even when a friend does something you do not like, he continues to be your friend. The greatest happiness is to scatter your enemy and drive him before you, to see his cities reduced to ashes, to see those who love him shrouded and in tears, and to gather to your bosom his wives and daughters. It is not sufficient that I succeed. All others must fail. All who surrender will be spared. Whoever does not surrender, but opposes with struggle and dissension, shall be annihilated. Be of one mind and one faith, that you may conquer your enemies and lead long and happy lives. I will rule them by fixed laws, so that rest and happiness shall prevail in the world. In the space of 7 years, I have succeeded in accomplishing a great work and uniting the whole world in one empire. If my body dies, let my body die, but do not let my country die. With heaven's aid, I have conquered for you a huge empire, but my life was too short to achieve the conquest of the world. That task is left for you.
Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments and subscribe our channel for more.